Hey, what's up guys? Chip here. Today I want to share the new update this month to KitOps. And this is the KitOps Pro Clarise edition. And it's got a really fantastic workflow tool. And what these are, we call favorites and recents. And it's very straightforward. You can click these little icons at the top, favorites and recents, and it'll display your favorite and recent K-Packs. So of course, the way this works is you'll just click on any one of these icons, which is a button, and it'll instantly take you into the K-Pack that you selected. And think about how hard it used to be, where you had to click here and then find the K-Pack you wanted, and then click on it to select it. And now it's as simple as just clicking any of these buttons. How great is that? So as you recall, these are all our K-Packs, and you can now go into a K-Pack like Urban Graffiti Tags, and you click this little star right here, and it puts an icon of the very first thumbnail it sees from that K-Pack right up here on your list. And if you want to remove it from your favorites, you just click here to remove it. The other thing you can do is you can also, with it selected, and you can see it's got a little blue background when it's selected, you can actually move it around. Check this out. So I can move it all the way to the front or all the way to the back. And it'll keep on adding rows as you add more favorites. So that's really cool. Now the other part of this is that as you click through these, you're going to get a list of your last 5 most recent K-Packs right here. Well, now you're maybe wondering, as you look through this, you're seeing that Greasy Bear has some custom icons, and so does the Design Magic, which is, it's so close to coming out, I can't tell you. I'm still finishing up some of the videos, and that's really all I'm waiting on. These are the Design Magic K-Packs that will be out shortly, and they all have their own custom icons. So you may be saying, well, how do you create a custom icon for your own K-Packs? Well, that's pretty simple. Let's take a look at the master folder where these come from. Remember that if we look at the actual preferences for KitOps, we have this list, and this list shows different master folders for all of the K-Packs, right? So remember that a master folder can house multiple K-Packs. And in fact, that's exactly what's going on right here. If we look at this one, we have a Design Magic master folder. So let's go look at that folder. Okay, so here's the master folder, and each one of these are K-Packs. Here's the DM minus, and that would be all the subtraction ones. And if you look through here, you'll see there is one file that looks a little bit out of place, and that's this K icon. So any image, any ping image that is in your K-Pack folder that is the name k_icon.ping will be used as the thumbnail. And if that's not there, it's going to use the very first one it finds. And this can be 256 by 256. It can be any size, and a transparent ping, so it's a transparent area, but they don't necessarily need to be. That would be up to you. So this is the new update for this month. As you know, we've been updating KitOps Free quite a bit and have not shown much love to the KitOps Pro users. And now, with this update, this is a KitOps Pro only feature. And the reason for that is because we think this is a workflow enhancement and something that if you use KitOps a lot, you're going to want this set of features. So, and again, if you want to turn them off, just click the little buttons here and they'll just show up as icons there. So you don't need to clutter your interface if you don't want to use it. So as you know, we have been updating KitOps fairly regularly now. In fact, I think in the last 4 months, we've had 4 updates. And we are committed to making sure that KitOps stays the premier kit bashing add-on for not only Blender, but for any software in the industry. The other part of this is that we're working very hard to integrate KitOps with the Asset Manager, which will be coming along in version 3.0 of Blender. So stay tuned for all the exciting news about how we'll be able to integrate KitOps with Asset Manager. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we look forward to seeing you online.